There are a number of reasons that you would come to TW Group and myself for wood products, manufacturing, lumber, building materials, and all other manufacturing risks as well. Number one, I take the time to understand your business so I can make the underwriter understand your business. And that's very important to not only get the right coverages in place, but to get the most competitive quote out there to save you money. So the things that I look into beyond coverage and having the best coverage available in the marketplace for you is to talk about the fire protection at your location, the hazards and the way that you can reduce those hazards to fire, explosion, windstorm, and otherwise. I take a look at your exposure to liability, whether it's the upkeep of your premises so that a visitor is not injured on your premises, as well as your product's liability and how your product goes out and how you supply your product to your customers, how you manufacture it if you're a manufacturer. I take a look at all of the protections of the property, what you're doing when you're outside the property, and your safety program to protect your workers so that I can outline to the underwriters that you are one of the better risks out there and would deserve all the coverages that I'm asking for at the best pricing available in the marketplace. Beyond that, one of the main reasons that people will come to me for wood products manufacturing, lumber, building materials, and other manufacturing and industrial risks is because we have the markets, the insurance companies that specialize in these areas. So I've got a number of insurance companies that specialize in all types of manufacturing, but then specifically I've got 6 or 7 companies that specialize in wood products manufacturing and lumber and building materials. Since, as you know, you're in a higher hazard industry, not everybody will write those types of business. Occasionally, though, even companies that don't normally write that business will write your type of business for a few years, and then they'll get out of it. I deal with companies that are in for the long haul in writing specific classes of business. And they're going to be there through thick or thin with you. They're not going to write your coverage for 3 years and then either balloon the pricing or get out of the business. They're companies that specialize in your class of business for the long haul. What I like about what I do is helping people protect their assets, protect the business that they've worked long and hard to build, or if you're new in the business, to help you become one of those who has built and owned a business for a long period of time. So it's very important to me that I do what I say, that I do give you the tools to make insurance decisions to protect your assets and your employees. I take a lot of pride in doing that, from writing the proper coverage to taking the claim phone call if you get that dreaded 3 a.m. in the morning phone call that your place is on fire or something else. I want to make sure that you've been given the tools to make the decisions to purchase the right coverages and that we take care of you from beginning to end.